Hi guys, together with EB Cars today, I want to show you a one-of-a-kind C200 from 2022 or 23. It's full C63 S, even some E63 SE Performance Edition 1 body kit. We check it out from the front. You have the beautiful Panama grille that's here, the E-Performance S front spoiler with the E63 front bumper, this beautiful Mercedes rims. They are MS tires, and in the back here you see 4 E63S end pipes in chrome. I so beautiful this car. This is one of a kind. I have not seen a car like this rebuilt yet. I think this is the first one of the first in Europe that I can be sure of. The condition of the car only has 2,900 mil. It means that it has 29,000 kilometers. I will show you in the display. So it's 2,900 mil. MS tires, brand new. So this car is brand new still. There's like no kilometers on the car whatsoever. It's still like new. The paint, as you see, is no damages nowhere. You maybe have one. The rest is nothing. And even the front is beautiful. It's so beautiful. Inside the car, I want to show you a beautiful interior. The car has very good option. It has ambient lighting, extra package. You see it better in night. It has this screen with GPS, screen there, touch, and everything you need to have. Inside the car, we have this beautiful screen. Here you have the kilometers. So it's 3,013 miles or 30,135 kilometers. So it's very raw. The ambient lighting, the touch screen. For example, I need to put fuel. It's touch. You have the home button. You have a lot of settings here. You have comfort settings. Here you can change if you want. It has heating steering wheel. You can change the colors inside the car. And you see them, they are through the car. They are even here. I can see them with my eyes. You have a multiple, this is Swedish text because this is a Swedish car. This is flerfärgad. It means it's changing colors through your driving. So it can be from yellow to blue to white to red. You choose whatever you want. A lime green. Yeah, I like the blue one. It has very good sound system. You can see here the flower. The Mercedes, I think, is a F flower sound. I don't know exactly what it stands for, but yeah, we press it in drive. The car is now in cruise, and it has an EQ mode. It says here, EQ mode. You can change the screen, very easy. You have all options here. If you want to have for example, a full screen, you can change this to be normal, like this one. You do it only through the settings, and you go to system, and you go to display, and display, no, sorry. One second over here. There's a lot of things here to check out. I'm not sure exactly right now, but you can change it through this. I know that I changed it before here, but I have photos on that later. After that, you can change if you want the AMG style, the people likes, with the geograph and engine capacity. This car has a lot of option. It has adaptive cruise control. The cruise control need to be calibrated because the car has been modified with the C63S body kit. They need to be calibrated. It's not expensive, like 150 euros, something like that. It has a dead collision warning. It will be a red here. It has steering that it centralizes in your place where you drive. I'm gonna take it out now here for a little spin. Now you can change this through your driving, so you can have it in this mode or whatever mode you like. And you can even zoom out, like zoom in. See here, I can zoom in like this if I want to, and I can zoom out. It's very technical. These cars are wow. And the same interior you have through the new E-Class and new S-Class, and even some other model of the Mercedes. This is from 2023 and up. They usually have like this. This car is, I think, is a 2023. It can be a 22 also, but it's still the same model. The ad will show. It have the most expensive headlights in the front. So if I put it in headlight mode to turn on and off, it will do it automatically. Now is a day, so we don't need that option. And you see here that it goes through your, it has the option. I put the blinker, so it put it off. I will show you now when I drive back. You will see what I mean here. See this logo here? This is the car will steer itself if it needs to be corrected. So this here will be green when the car feels like it has synchronized. It's green right now. See here? It should now like steer itself if it needs to. So I will release the steering a little bit, and you see the car will drag it back a little bit, but it's not like the perfect drag back. But yeah, you still need to hold it. You see here, warning, please hold. And it will say also the speed limit here is 80, and I'm driving 82, 83, so shame on me. But it says here, every time it's gonna go up, it's gonna make a beep. You can remove that also in the system. Some kind of carbon look here. This is original. I don't think it's carbon, but it looks like carbon. See here, the car has backup camera and all these sensors that you need to have. Like if you see, you can even change it to a more panometric camera, so it's more of a pano. It's a little more bigger, so you can see the sides better. And you see inside now, the colors of the car starts to come out. For example, you see how much color we have right now. So if you do like this, and this is not inside, we're only in the doors. So yeah, I thank you very much guys for checking out this beautiful Mercedes. This car is a very nice car. It has also USB-C and stuff like this. Full history on Mercedes-Benz. And I hope you like this car. For more content, keep on. This car is available at EV Cars